Hello y'all, and welcome to another edition of your Austin Real Estate Minutes. I'm Kristen Scudder, realtor here in the Austin area with Horizon Realty, and in today's video we're putting 2020 in the rearview mirror and looking ahead at 2021. We're going to be covering the 6 amenities that home experts have projected as being the top amenities that home buyers will be looking for in their new home. So not only is this video going to be valuable if you're a home buyer looking at that value for resale on down the road, but also if you're a seller and you're interested in maybe seeing some of the top home renovations that could add the most bang for your buck. Y'all enjoy.